Hi there, it's Michelle from White & Co. And today I'm going to be talking about the Dakota Jeans from Betty Basics. They're a super comfy jogger, the sort of piece that you're going to wear day in, day out. They're super flattering. They've got elastic waist with this ribbon drawstring as well. What I love is this sporty stripe design here, which is really on trend at the moment as well. They've got some diagonal stitching detail here at the front, side pockets. They've got a cuff that you can undo here and wear full length if you want, or if you want to change it up, you can roll them up as well. So they are a good fit, they are a true to size fit, but they do have a lot of stretch. Look, you can see here, I'm wearing the size 8 and there is a lot of stretch there. Even though they sort of look a nice relaxed fit, I've got a lot of room. So if you are in between sizes, definitely size down. I hope that you found this super helpful, and remember, you can always head to our website to check all the fit notes as well. But we also have an easy returns policy too. So let's hope your online purchase will be a success. Happy shopping!